Think some Windows system files might be corrupted or missing. You can scan protected Windows files directly from command prompt using built-in tools. In this guide, I'll show you how to run System File Checker, understand the results, and use DISM when SFC needs additional help. First, open Windows Search and type command prompt. Right-click the result and choose Run as Administrator. Approve the User Account Control prompt. Administrator access is required for Windows system file scans. Now type sfc/scannow and press Enter. System File Checker will scan protected Windows system files and compare them against known good versions. If it finds corrupted files, Windows will try to repair them automatically. Let the scan reach 100% before closing CMD. When the scan finishes, CMD will display a message explaining the result. You may see that no integrity violations were found, that corrupted files were found and repaired, or that some files couldn't be repaired. The exact message tells you what to do next. If SFC says it couldn't repair some files, run DISM next. Enter DISM/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth and press Enter. DISM repairs the Windows component store, which SFC relies on for system file repairs. This scan can take several minutes, so let it finish. After DISM completes successfully, run sfc/scannow again. This gives System File Checker another opportunity to repair any remaining corrupted files. Yeah, running SFC a second time after DISM is a useful troubleshooting step when the first scan couldn't fix everything. If Windows still reports problems, the issue may involve the file system or storage drive. You can use chkdsk:" to check the system drive for file system errors. For repairs, chkdsk:"-F can be scheduled for the next restart when the drive is in use. And that's how to scan Windows system files using CMD. Start with SFC, use DISM if repairs are unsuccessful, then run SFC again. If problems continue, check the file system with chkdsk. So take your time, let each scan finish, and always read the final result before moving to the next step.